Now this project is an EH Holden radio. The case has been refurbished, it's been converted to Bluetooth, LED lighting and a 4-channel amplifier, so it'll be a real little go when it goes in the car. The Perspex dial is suffering some damage from the sun over the years. That needs to be replaced, but apparently they are available new, which will smarten it up no end. So I'll turn him on.
Power on.
Power on.
Connected.
Connected. And we'll go to the phone. And we wait. Come on. Can't half tell them with Optus, hey? Anyway, enough of that. That's all ready to go, and it'll make a great addition to this guy's car.